Good morning. We're going to talk today about how to build your one prim lamp, which is assignment 6.5. You have in your inventory for week 6 supplies an item called Lear Lobo's How to Make a Stool, Fountain, and Lamp. I want you to drag that onto the ground like that. And what you have is an example of a progression of a number of objects from a simple cylinder all the way up to a really fancy lamp. So I want you to right click on those, put them in edit, and do Control-Shift-L, and that will unlink all of those objects. Delete the first one, and don't worry, you still have a copy in your inventory. Delete the second one. Delete the third one. That's just a stool that you've already done. Now I want you to choose one of these lamps that is remaining and decide that you're going to make something that looks a little bit like that. So I'm going to choose this one. Pull it off to the side and then delete the others. So we know that she started with a cylinder, and the reason we know that is because when I put this in edit and go to objects, tube, it says right there tube. So I'm going to create a box. Oh, I guess I created a sphere, and I'm going to turn it into a tube. Alright, now I've started with the right shape. Go back to the lamp. Let me pull these side by side so you can see that a little better. Go back to the lamp, and I'm going to step-by-step read what it says. So the B, path cut, begin and end. Well, let's do the shape. Position doesn't matter. The size, 0.99437. Alright, 0.99437. And the Y, 0.33146. And you can change these later if you want, but let's start with copying what she's done. The Z, 33146. 0.33146. Whoops, that's a 7. Alright, now go back to the lamp and you're going to read all of the items on the right side under the object tab. So path cut, B is 0 and E is 1. That's the default, okay? Hollow, 80, and skew is 0. So we want to make the hollow 80. Okay. Hollow shape is default. That's fine. Twist, begin, and end. She's got 36 and 36. So we type in 36 and 36. Ooh, look what that did. Okay. Hole size, she's got 1 and 0.5. So we're going to do one that's the default. Alright. And top shear, she's got 0 and 0. So that should be the default. Profile cut, 0.250 and 1. Alright, so 0.250. Ooh, look what that did. Okay. And then taper, 0 and 0. Taper, 0 and 0. Alright, so it looks like from this point all I have to do is flip the thing over, and so that means I want my rotation, let's see if I go 0. Okay, let's make it all zeros, and then we can turn this upright, and we need it to be 270. So your Y will be 270.